based research is basically practitioner research, where the teacher has the space and the luxury of looking at his or her own classroom a little more critically. And when they do this, they're also looking for instances of what worked, what didn't, and why. Usually we all do this as good teachers, but then when we start doing classroom research, we are trying to do it systematically and get some kind of evidence for every stage of the work, and then build on that and go on to the next stage. It's a continuous process. It needs time, it needs motivation. More than anything, it needs willingness.
Most of these teachers, they've been teaching for more than 5 years, but it was a regular kind of routine. So this project has helped them to ask questions about what they are doing and question their own assumptions, their beliefs about teaching. They get to learn how to do research, how to collect data and analyze data and come out with several different interpretations. We can call them teacher researchers. They become more reflective practitioners. So this ARMS project helps them become reflective teachers. They look at classrooms critically.
Before, I was just thinking superficially, only the one side I was chosen. But after the project, after the supports of my mentor, after the supports of her guidance, I am now thinking more critically and deeply. First, I am just seeing the mentality of students, but now I am just watching their mentality, their physical role, their interaction. How can I enhance their interaction among students, teacher, among students, and also with their parents.
I came to know about how to research, how to narrow down the problems, how to understand that problem and find out the probable solutions for that problem.
I totally transformed from a teacher to teacher researcher. When I was a teacher, I was only thinking about the problems, but I was not thinking how to solve these problems or these issues. Now I can solve that issues with my understanding or with my practice, and it can be reflected in my teaching career.
Actually, this is a process, but we have started yet, and this is not the end. You can't reach the end. This is the starting of the process. So I would like to continue with more questions and with more researches to continue this process.
I think that this project has helped me to grow both ways, as a teacher and as a mentor. As a teacher, I can say that when my mentees were sharing their classroom issues and their solutions to sort out those issues, I could correlate those issues with my own classroom.
I have developed personally and professionally, and I can say the same about my mentees. I can see them as better teachers now. So rather than complaining about problems, they are trying to find solutions for the problems in the classrooms that they face. And I think I have become a better reflective practitioner.
It has helped me to know more about the problematizing of the question, to choose the mentees, how to get started, how to narrow down the question, how to bring them together, time management. It is like a lesson that we are learning at every stage.
The entire journey was process based. So we never told our teachers what to do. So they discovered their own journey, and that journey in itself is what you can see in terms of the research that they have done today.
What I enjoy the most was the marketplace, because that is where we can see the theory in action actually, which is a very rare thing we see in academic research, especially in the field of education and English education in India. I am going to convey whatever I've learned here to my students so that they can go and put it forth in the places where they are going to work. Especially my students will be primarily going and working for the next year in government schools, so it would be much useful for those students so that they can put it into practice.
I think everyone is very passionate about their work. I think when you listen to it from the horse's mouth, as it were, I think it makes a lot of sense. So these teachers, we hope, will get motivated to go back to their classrooms and see if they can do something of the sort.